Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best AirFit N30i is probably one of the most innovative CPAP masks on the market, designed for ultimate comfort and a hassle-free experience. Its unique top-of-the-head tube design allows for freedom of movement, making it ideal for side sleepers and those who toss and turn. With its minimal contact design, the AirFit N30i aims to reduce facial marks and discomfort, ensuring a peaceful night's sleep. Let's dive into why this mask could be the perfect fit for your CPAP therapy needs. Number 5. Navage Nasal Irrigation System Starter Bundle. Are you tired of nasal congestion? This system offers relief in just 30 seconds. It uses powered suction to flush your nasal passages, providing lasting relief without drugs. This nasal rinse kit is designed for your comfort and ease. Its lightweight design allows for one-handed use, and it comes with pre-packaged salt pods for a mess-free experience. Using this product is simple. First, fill the tank with distilled water and insert a salt pod. Then, position your nostrils and press a button to start the rinse and suction. For a safe and comfortable experience, keep the salt pod chamber closed until the cycle is complete. Opening it mid-rinse will stop the device, ensuring your safety. To get started, fill with distilled water, add a salt pod, and ensure a firm seal. If you experience reduced suction, check the battery, lid, or pillow adjustment. Full support is available in the guide. What we like. This nasal irrigation system offers drug-free relief, perfect for those seeking natural congestion solutions. Its user-friendly design makes it incredibly easy to use with one hand. If you're looking for a simple, mess-free way to clear your sinuses, this is the one for you. What people say. The hose connection is at the top of the head, which makes it easier to sleep on your side. The mask is very comfortable and doesn't leave marks on your face. The mask is very quiet. Number 4. ResMed AirFit N30i Nasal CPAP Mask Cushion. This is a replacement cushion designed for the ResMed AirFit N30i Nasal CPAP Mask. It ensures you receive the optimal therapy for sleep apnea. This helps you get a better night's sleep. The Quiet Air technology minimizes noise during sleep therapy. This feature makes it a key component of ResMed's CPAP supplies, focusing on comfort and quietness. You'll find it helps you sleep more soundly. Made with durable silicone, this ResMed CPAP cushion is built for long-term use. However, it's recommended that you replace it monthly to maintain its effectiveness. It's a simple step to ensure continued comfort. The AirFit N30 Nasal Cradle Cushion sits comfortably under your nose. It optimizes breathing support while you sleep, enhancing your CPAP experience. This design promotes a more restful night. ResMed is dedicated to helping millions of people with sleep apnea, COPD, and related issues. They strive to improve lives through innovative solutions. This product is a testament to their commitment. What we like. This cushion utilizes Quiet Air technology, ensuring a peaceful night's sleep by minimizing noise. It's designed for optimal airflow, providing a comfortable fit under your nose. If you prioritize a quiet and comfortable CPAP experience, you should consider this. What people say. The hose connection is at the top of the head, which makes it easier to sleep on your side. The design is great, and it is very comfortable. The mask is very quiet. Number 3. ResMed AirFit N30i P30i Headgear, Replacement. This headgear is designed specifically for the AirFit N30i or P30i CPAP mask. It ensures a secure fit, providing stability and comfort throughout your sleep apnea therapy. This soft and durable CPAP mask headgear is designed for your comfort during sleep. It keeps your face untouched, ensuring effortless wearability throughout the night. The quick-release elbow feature allows for easy disconnection of CPAP supplies. It works seamlessly with other CPAP accessories, making it convenient for you during the night. Please note that this replacement CPAP headgear includes only the headgear strap. It does not include the AirFit N30i or P30i mask frame or nasal cushion. ResMed is dedicated to helping millions with sleep apnea, COPD, and related issues. They strive to help people live better lives. What we like. This headgear ensures a secure fit, providing stability throughout the night. Its design focuses on effortless wearability, keeping your face untouched. If you value ease of use and a comfortable fit, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The hose connection is at the top of the head, which makes it easier to sleep on your side. The mask is very comfortable and doesn't leave marks on your face. The mask is easy to clean. Number 2. ResMed AirFit N30i CPAP Mask Replacement. This is the replacement system for the AirFit N30i nasal mask. It includes the frame, elbow, and nasal cradle cushion. Please note that the headgear is not included. The system comes with everything you need, except the headgear. This ensures a comfortable and effective CPAP therapy experience. It's designed to be a direct replacement for your existing mask components. Remember, this package does not include the headgear. You will need to use your existing headgear or purchase it separately. This is a replacement for the frame and cushion only. This system features a medium-sized nasal cradle cushion. It's designed to provide a secure and comfortable seal. This is an important part of the CPAP mask system. Please note that a prescription is required to purchase the complete CPAP nasal mask system. Make sure you have a valid prescription before ordering. This is essential for effective sleep apnea treatment. ResMed is dedicated to helping millions with sleep apnea and related issues. They strive to improve the quality of life for those who need it. The product is designed to help you sleep better. What we like. This system includes the frame, elbow, and cushion, providing all the essential components. It's designed specifically for the AirFit N30i mask. If you need to replace these core parts, this is a great option. What people say. The hose connection is at the top of the head, so it's easy to roll over in bed and not get tangled up in the hose. The mask is very comfortable and doesn't leave marks on my face. The design is great and it is easy to use. Number 1. ResMed AirFit N30i Standard Frame, Small. This is the AirFit N30i frame system. It is designed to optimize your CPAP setup. This sturdy frame includes an elbow and nasal cradle cushion. The frame features quiet air technology. This technology breaks up exhaled air, minimizing noise for a more peaceful sleep therapy experience. Please note that this replacement frame system does not include the headgear. You will need to have the AirFit N30i headgear separately. The AirFit N30i frame system is designed for comfort. It rests under your nose with a top-of-head connection, keeping the air tubing out of your way, giving you more freedom. ResMed is dedicated to helping millions with sleep apnea and related issues. They strive to help people live better lives through innovative solutions like this one. What we like. This frame system features a top-of-head connection, keeping the air tubing out of your way for more freedom. It also incorporates quiet air technology for a quiet experience. If you value mobility and a peaceful night's sleep, it's a great choice. What people say. The hose connection is at the top of the head, which makes it easier to sleep on your side. The mask is very comfortable and doesn't leave marks on your face. The design is great and it is easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.